If you are looking for a hearty breakfast that is dairy-free, plant-based, stay tuned.
B plus.
Okay, do you want to do it?
I'm kidding. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So, as my beautiful host said...
Co-host,
yeah. I guess you're the... Yeah.
It's a team effort.
It is. Team effort. We're making breakfast today. So we are going to do... we've made tofu scrambles for a long time. They're super easy, ton of protein. Obviously, if you're plant-based, it's a great option. So we're going to make a yummy scramble for you today with some amazing shiitake mushrooms, some sun-dried tomatoes, some spinach, wonderful spices, some broth I put in when I'm making it. And then we're going to probably make our favorite hash browns in the world.
Tater tot hash browns, crispy tater tots.
Yes, they are so easy to make and make literally one of the best hash browns you'll probably ever have. So I'm ready to eat. So
I know, I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's make breakfast.
Our extra firm tofu's been pressed overnight and is ready to be crumbled into that scrambled egg texture. We'll start with a rough chop and then use those smaller pieces to crumble into the desired consistency. Next, we're going to rough chop our shiitake mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. The tofu scramble comes together really quickly, so we want to pre-cook our mushrooms, starting by sweating them out in a hot pan, followed by a dash of olive oil and healthy sprinkling of pepper. Once the tater tots come out of the oven, we're ready to make John's famous hash browns. We're going to start with a hot pan, some oil, and then add in the tater tots and begin to smash them down to break them up a little bit so you get lots of little crispy bits. From there, with a little backseat driving from me this time, we're going to add our seasonings, being careful to not make them too salty, but with lots of flavor. Let's make some scramble. We're going to start by getting our pan hot and adding some oil. There's kind of a theme there. We do that a lot. And then we're going to add our crumbled tofu and let it get nice and toasty brown. Once the tofu is crispy, we'll add all of our dry seasonings. Stir to mix, and then add our broth, stirring again to incorporate. The turmeric really gives it a nice yellow flavor, and it is so good for you. Then we'll add in our sun-dried tomatoes, our pre-cooked mushrooms, and finally stir in a healthy couple handfuls of our baby spinach leaves. We'll cover to give them a chance to wilt just a little bit, and then it's ready to serve.
We have breakfast.
I know, finally.
It looks so
Actually, this
good.
doesn't take very long to come together.
No.
We've just been busy doing other things.
Yes. The only thing that would make this any better would be like an entire bottle of champagne.
Oh, I thought you were going to say yum sauce.
Oh, yeah, maybe yum sauce.
Yum sauce is very good too.
But I'm going to pick up my plate because I'm going to town.
All right. That's good. That's always good.
The shiitake mushrooms.
Even with the cooked greens that you don't normally like.
Yeah, I usually don't like cooked greens, but I like raw greens. But the shiitake and the tomatoes
are very good. And these are John's homemade sun-dried tomatoes.
Yes, yeah. And
I'm surprised there's any tater tots left.
As soon as the camera goes off, I am going to eat yours and the rest. Those tater tots. So yummy.
Yeah. And turmeric is the magic seasoning.
Yeah,
for sure.
Turmeric gives it the kind of the yellow.
And it's so good for you. It's like really, really a good spice.
Yeah. There isn't any reason if you're plant-based, you can't have a yummy breakfast. And this is super healthy, ton of protein because of the tofu. And these hash browns are so simple and easy to make. And
really good.
And really, really good. So
well done.
Yeah, I like it. We should probably turn off the camera so I can inhale the rest of this.
Okay.
So
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And breakfast every once in a while.
You can have pizza for breakfast.
We can. That's awesome.
See ya.
See ya.